how to reset your TikTok FYP or your TikTok For You page and get new recommendations. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset your TikTok FYP or your For You page, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to reset your TikTok FYP or For You page, what you simply want to do is just go ahead and launch the TikTok application. Now let's say that you're just too tired of this For You page by default and that you want to get new fresh content over here. Well, in that case, there are a couple of things that you can actually do. The very first thing you have to do is come to your profile page, tap on the three lines from the top right, go to settings and privacy, and then go to watch history. Make sure to clear out all of the watch history. You just tap on the select option, select all watch history, tap on delete. This will clear all of your past watch history as well as your watching data. Now once you've done that, you can just come back, you can go to content preferences. Once you go to content preferences, you can turn on restricted mode if you want. If you want to turn it on, that's perfectly fine. You can also filter video keywords in order to actually find keywords based on this specific keywords over here. So when you enter a specific keyword such as music, you'll get recommended TikTok videos related to music. When you get fashion, you'll get TikTok videos related to that specific category or that keyword that you have put within this content preferences page. Now if this helps, that's perfectly fine. Now if not, then you also want to come back and you go to the discover page. In the search box, you want to simply clear out all your search history, and then after that you only want to search for things that you are interested in. Do not search for people, pages or brands that you are not interested in, because TikTok is going to keep track of that and then recommend you similar videos in the future. Hope this video helped you. These were some of the ways on how you can reset your TikTok FYP. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.